Are you wondering if YouTube TV can download content for offline viewing? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how downloading works on the platform. If you're looking to watch shows or games without an internet connection, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not allow you to download live TV or recorded DVR content for offline viewing. Unlike some streaming services that let you save shows or movies directly to your device, YouTube TV relies on an internet connection to stream all of its content. However, you can use YouTube TV's DVR feature to record live TV and watch it later, as long as you're online. The recordings are stored in the cloud, so you'll need a stable internet connection to access them. If offline viewing is important to you, consider using a service like Netflix or Amazon Prime Video, which offers downloadable content. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV handles downloads, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.